Hello everyone, today we will talk about why the demand of BrahMos missile is soaring up. The BrahMos missile, a supersonic cruise missile developed by India and Russia, is gaining global attention due to its unmatched capability. It travels at a speed up to Mach 2.8, nearly 3 times of the sound. It can be launched from the land, sea, air, or submarines, and the uses of fire and the forget system to for precise strike in any weather. Its recent use in India, Operation Sindoor, targeting terror camp in Pakistan, showcased its pinpoint accuracy, boosting its appeal worldwide. With at least 17 countries showing interest, BrahMos is becoming a cornerstone of India defense export. So let's dive into the details. What is BrahMos? BrahMos is not an ordinary missile developed by India and Russia through a joint venture called BrahMos Aerospace. It's one of the fastest supersonic cruise missiles on the planet, clocking in at Mach 2.8, nearly 3 times the speed of the sound. It can be launched from the land, sea, air, or even submarines, making it incredibly versatile. With a range of up to 800 km in its extended version and the fire and the forget guidance system, BrahMos can hit targets with pinpoint accuracy, day or night, rain or shine. According to the experts, no current air defense system in China or Pakistan can match it. Why the demand is soaring up? Why is everyone talking about BrahMos now? It all started with the Operation Sindoor, where India used BrahMos to strike terror camp in Pakistan with surgical precision. This real-world success proved that BrahMos is not just a concept, it's a game changer. Since then, at least 17 countries have shown interest in acquiring it, but the real driver of demand is the escalating tension in the South China Sea. Let's break it down. The South China Sea crisis. The South China Sea is like a geopolitical volcano waiting to erupt. China claims almost the entire region through its so-called 9-dash line, overlapping with the territorial claims of countries like the Philippines, Vietnam, Indonesia, and even the Malaysia. China has been flexing its muscle, building artificial islands, militarizing them, and sending naval patrols that intimidate its neighbor. These countries are now looking for ways to stand up to China, and BrahMos is their answer. Its speed, stealth, and the ability to hit target beyond radar horizon make it perfect for coastal defense. India strategic play. India is stepping up in a big way by supplying BrahMos to Southeast Asian nation. India is not just selling missile, it's building alliance. Let's look at the key player. Philippines. In April 2024, India delivered the first batch of BrahMos missile to the Philippines, and the second batch is on the way. These are being used to strengthen coastal defense against Chinese naval threat. Second, Vietnam. In April 2025, Vietnam finalized a $700 million deal to acquire BrahMos, making it the second Southeast Asian nation to do so. This is direct response to China action in the South China Sea. Third country is Indonesia. Indonesia is close to signing a $450 million deal, which would be India's biggest defense exports ever. This move is tied to concern over China presence near Indonesia, Natuna Island. Other are Malaysia and the Thailand are also exploring BrahMos for future procurement, showing how India influence is growing in South Asian nation. India Act East policy is a full swing, positioning it as a counterbalance to China dominance in the Indo-Pacific. By arming these nations, India is not only boosting its defense industry but also strengthening its strategic foothold in the region. China's reaction. China is not sitting quietly. They have issued warning to India and Russia, urging them not to sell BrahMos to Taiwan or other South China Sea nation. This shows just how much BrahMos is shaking things up. China knows that these missiles could shift the balance of power in the region, especially when deployed by countries like Philippines and Vietnam. Challenges and limitations in front of India, but it's not all smooth sailing. BrahMos is a joint venture between India and Russia. India can't export it freely without Russian approval. This restriction limits how quickly India can meet global demand. Plus, the geopolitical fallout of arming China neighbors could escalate tension. So India has to
balance. And thanks for watching this video. If you like this, then subscribe